good morning. It is indeed a great pleasure to listen to our great guest, Engineer Khalid, a very candid response to our colleagues. Combined together, he covered everything, and my compliments to you, Excellency, that perhaps you also contained my speech as well. Thank you very much indeed. It is indeed a distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all, dear brothers, from Saudi Arabia, in Islamabad, which is, I would call, your own home. I won't use the word second home, this is your own home. This occasion marks yet another chapter in the enduring friendship and strategic partnership between our two brotherly countries. Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia have a deep-rooted, time-tested relationship. This bond enriched by shared history, faith, and values holds a significant place in Pakistan's foreign policy. The people of Pakistan have always